you? Good morning, Una. Where are you? Let me turn on the lights. Come here. Come here. Up. Up here. Ah. I know you're hungry. Hold on. Huh? Let me just check. Oh, right. Oh my God, I forgot again. I always forget to take my thyroid pills. Yes. Give me a moment, please. Give me one moment in time. What do you want? Come here. Come here. I know. You're hungry, my mate. You're hungry, my baby. I'll just sing for you. Give me one moment in time. Hold on. Hey. Okay. Hey, Una. Hold on. Let me just dress up. Excuse me. Excuse me. Yeah, I know. I know, Una. I know. Hey, why you do that for? Huh? When you're hungry, you like that, huh? When you're hungry, you want to talk to me, huh? But if you're not, look at your face. Why your face like that? Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and my name is Maso. If you are new here, I live in the back of this minivan. I have a full-time job. I work as a nursing assistant, and I want to tell you something. I am currently on leave for 2 months, but I cannot discuss everything here. But I will be finishing my doctor's appointment, my neurologist appointment, and some x-rays that I need to do. And I think I am going to do some physical therapy, and that's for a month. So after my physical therapy, I will be heading to Kansas State. I am going to see my sister for the first time again. I haven't seen her for 8 years, and this is the only time again to see her, and I'm so excited. I will take advantage of this to focus on my NCLEX RN review. I have a goal to study for a month, maybe take the exam after. But it depends on my assessment and if I'm ready already. But hopefully this time I'm gonna pass the exam because I wanna be an RN when I go back to work. So for now, I will just clean up here and make my bed, and then I'm going to make some breakfast first today, but I'm gonna show you what's outside. Alright, let me show you all what's my background view today. Look at that. Look at those mountains. And then let me just organize and make my bed. Time lapse starts now. So this is the hardest part of having a cat. And since I moved here and it's obviously I don't have much space, I have to put the litter box under the bed and also her food bowls. I have to crawl under the bed so I can reach the bowls to put her food, and also whenever I have to clean the litter box, I'm just gonna go under the bed and get her bowls. I got it. Look where I am. I'm actually at the back of that casino building. I can't tell where the casino is, but yeah, this is the back, and I am so happy that I stopped here because last night it's already dark and I don't wanna continue driving, so I'm just gonna stay here to make some breakfast and my coffee. So I'm just gonna stay here and I have something to show with all of you. Oh my god. I am doing a product review of this desktop range hood that the company Aobosi sent it to me. Let's test it inside. Hey girl. Isn't it nice to have this background view and you have these mountains? By the way, I am making my coffee in a different way this time. But I used to have this kind of mocha espresso pot. This time I have a new pot because I left the one that I have in my RAM Pro Master when I was trading it. So this time I bought a new one. And this is a limited edition of Bialetti. It's a Bridgerton Netflix edition. I'm not really sure. So we're gonna use this one instead, because I'm tired of doing my filter pour over coffee, and it takes a lot of time. So I'm just gonna use this one, and very easy, and I love this. If you like this kind of pot, I am not sure if they still have this limited edition, but go ahead and check my storefront if it's still there. Just click the one that I have in the list and see if they're still available. But if not, they have the original one, which is the stainless. It's a silver one, but it works the same. I just like to get this because it matches my design here, which is a modern country style that I am trying to aim here. So check it out. I'm gonna start making my coffee. I'm still thinking what I want to eat, but I bought pandesal yesterday at Seafood City. It's a Filipino grocery. Whenever I go there, I make sure to walk and browse around there because I miss Filipino products and Filipino things that I used to buy whenever I'm doing my grocery shopping. So there's a line here where you can just add water up to that line, and it should not be overflowing. The water will come out here. This is the container for the coffee. Then we add our coffee on top of it. I do 3 and it's already strong. Then I just like to add my rice coffee. It's a mushroom coffee, and I just add 1 spoon so that it will be steamed with the ground coffee. And then we're gonna cover it with this top. And make sure you tight it really good, because if not, when it's boiling, there's like a leak coming out here. Now we can turn this on. And the fire should be focused on the middle. And then I'll get my desktop range hood and try it out. Let's see how this is going to work. It's kind of big. It has cord, and I think it's only 24 watts, so it's not bad. My power station can do it. So it says here It's DC is 24 volt, 1 amp, and 24 watts only. So yeah, let's try it. I'll put butter to the pan and let's see how this desktop hood going to suck the smoke. And it's only consuming 10 watts, not 24. I have a pandesal that I will toast in a butter, and then I'll just put some cocoa jam. Just wanna make simple breakfast as much as possible because I need to finish all what I have here so that I can get some groceries and replenish my groceries because I don't wanna stock too much here. Let's turn this on. Mmm. Mm. So good. Especially when the bread is kind of burned or toasted. I like it. I need to reheat my coffee. Mm. Heaven.